I cannot believe so many people didn't know how to use ATR. So today we'll understand this key technical indicator called the ATR, that is average true range. Often overlooked, ATR is your compass for navigating volatility, a critical factor in trading. So watch till the end because it's going to change your trading game. ATR measures price movement and accounts for gaps that other indicators might have missed. By giving you the true picture of the price action, ATR helps you to gauge how strong the market trends are. ATR itself doesn't scream buy or sell. Instead, it arms you with the risk and reward information. A higher ATR means higher volatility and potentially bigger price swings. On the flip side, a lower ATR suggests a steadier market. ATR has versatile applications. It helps you to set a smart stop loss and take profit levels. Plus, it also pinpoints breakout opportunities for maximum advantage during volatile times. Hit the follow button so that you don't miss any of our updates.